Chapter 7. Introduction to Database and DBMS. Database and DBMS. A database is an organized collection of information or data that is stored electronically in a computer system. A database is usually managed and controlled by a database management system, DBMS. Most of the currently operating databases store data in an exhibition of rows and columns that relate to a series of tables. This helps us to efficiently derive anything from the data by processing and querying it. Advantages of DBMS. The advantages of DBMS are: data abstraction. It only displays that data to the user which is necessary and hides the complex and unnecessary details. Control data redundancy. It maintains the data in such a way that copy of the same data does not exist in different places. Minimize data inconsistency. Data inconsistency occurs when the same data is stored in different tables with different file formats. DBMS minimizes the occurrence of data inconsistency. Easy data manipulation. Since the data is centralized in DBMS, we can modify it in one place and the changes would reflect in all the other places. Manipulation is the process of deriving a new set of data by applying logic to the extracted data. Concurrent access. It enables multiple executions at the same time, which increases time efficiency. Backup and recovery. In case of a database failure, we can utilize the backup, which is a duplicate of the data, or we can recover the database to its original condition before the failure. Types of databases. The different types of databases are: a flat file database is also known as a text database. It stores data in plain text format in the order in which it is needed. The flat file database was developed by IBM in the early 1970s. A relational database stores and organizes data in a series of tables. The tables are related to each other through the use of a common field known as the primary key. Relational databases are used to store, organize, and extract data efficiently. It is the most common type of database used these days. A primary key is the unique field for each record of the table which cannot be the same as any other field, for example, roll number, employee ID, order number, etc. There can be no null values, unknown or missing values, in a primary key. Objects of a database. The various objects of a database are: table. In a database, information is stored in the form of tables. A table contains several rows and columns to store and organize the information. Record. A record is a row of the table that contains information. Field. A field is a column of the table that contains information. Value. Any information stored in a table is called a value. It is located at the intersection of columns and rows. Datasheet. The visual representation of information contained in a table is called a datasheet. It can also be the result of a query. Form. A form can be used to derive input from the user by creating various fields for each value. It makes data entry easier. Query. A query is like an instruction that combines, refines, and derives results from multiple tables into a single datasheet. Report. The output received from manipulating data and running queries is called a report. MS Access 2016. MS Access is a popular RDBMS, relational database management system. It enables the user to create, manage, and extract data through multiple tables. Starting Access. Follow these steps to open Access. Step 1. Click on the Start icon to open Start menu. Step 2. Type Access in the search bar. Step 3. Click on the application name to open it. Creating a database. Follow these steps to create a blank database. Step 1. Open Access and click on Blank Desktop Database on the welcome screen. Step 2. Type a name and click on Create in the dialog box that will appear. Step 3. The blank database will appear with a security warning. Click on Enable Content. The database will be created. Creating database using template. Follow these steps to create a database using a template. Step 1. Open Access and select a template from the welcome screen. We have selected Students Template. Step 2. A window will appear with the template information. Type a name and click on Create. Step 3. A new database will appear with a security warning. Click on Enable Content. Step 4. Type any entries to create a database of students. Setting a primary key. Follow these steps to create a primary key. Step 1. Click on the Create tab and select the Table command. Step 2. A table with empty fields will appear. Select the ID option from the drop-down menu of the first field. Step 3. To create a primary key of the ID field, right-click on the field and select Primary Key option from the menu or select the Primary Key command from the Tools group of the Design tab. Querying a database. Follow these steps to create a query. Step 1. On the Create tab, click on Query Design command in the Queries tab. Step 2. Choose a table to generate a query from the Show Table dialog box. We have selected Student Attendance Table. Step 3. Click on the Add button. Selected table will be added to the query window. Step 4. Click on the Close button. The query window will appear. Query window. There are two panes in the query window. The top pane displays selected table for the query. The bottom pane displays the design grid in which we can add fields and specify criteria for the query. Observe the query window displayed below. Design grid elements. The design grid has the following elements. Field. It displays the field from the selected table. Table. It displays the name of the table. Sort. It is used to filter the data in ascending or descending order. Show. It displays check marks which we can select. This determines the fields which will be visible when the query is executed. Criteria. We can specify the condition to filter the records in the report. Or, we can use it to specify multiple criteria. Running a query. As soon as we create a query, a new tab Query Tools will appear. To run a query, click on the Run command in the Results group of the Design tab. After running the query to show only the ID in ascending order, you will get the given result. Let us recall. A database is an organized collection of information or data that is stored electronically in a computer system. A flat file database is also known as a text database. A relational database stores and organizes data in a series of tables. MS Access is a popular RDBMS, relational database management system. To run a query, click on the Run command in the Results group of the Design tab.